Diyan?
Tapos hanap na na. Tapos hanap na na.
Let us take this moment to gratify and praise His mercy.
A special time of graduation. We thank you for protecting and guiding them to this point. All praise and glory to you. Inspire the graduates to put to good use all the
Congratulations, graduates! You deserve a resounding round of applause. Congratulations!
Students, finally and officially, you are now graduates. May the blessing bestowed upon you be a reminder of your hard work and perseverance.
We now come to one of the most awaited moments of this ceremony, the awarding of diplomas. A certificate of graduation is a tangible evidence of being a graduate, not just the paper, but the life of academic pursuits and steadfastness.
Diploma, a fruit of which learners' academic endeavors and an official statement of academic achievement. Hence, for the awarding and distribution of diplomas, may we call the school administrator.
And staff, on stage please.
Tapos sa congratulations.
So for A, so for congrats.
Thank you, Lord. Tapos na po graduation. Lumagamat ako po. Naiyak talaga ako. Thank you po. Salamat. Hindi niyo pinabayaan ng aking anak at nakapagtapos siya. Picture taking muna sila. Then, lalabas na kami dito sa SMX Convention.
Kasi ano,
Bye! Nakuloko tong batang to eh. Mataas na heels. Pinasuot sa akin. Tanging slipper ay siyang nagsuot. Dahil ano daw. Huwag, iyaan mo lang. Dahil ano daw. Nangangawit ng kanyang paa. So guys, kami ay magme-merienda. Maghahanap ng makakainan. Alam mo po yung dalawang yan. Ayaw talaga nila ng video. Ewan ko bakit. Ako lang yata yung mahilig mag-vlog. Ay, thank you Lord God. Tapos din po. Graduation. Kakahingal naman maglakad sa hills na ito. Ayan po. Oh. Napakataas.
Pangan Catherine I with academic distinction.
Talaga? Buksan mo nga yan.